Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through a real-life story. Today's topic is talking about my daily habits. Our daily habits help us stay healthy, organized, and happy. Today, you will learn how to talk about your daily habits in simple English. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Daily habits vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Habit. Repeat. Habit. Routine. Repeat. Routine. Exercise. Repeat. Exercise. Breakfast. Repeat. Breakfast. Read. Repeat. Read. Study. Repeat. Study. Usually. Repeat. Usually. Always. Repeat. Always. Sometimes. Repeat. Sometimes. Never. Repeat. Never. Excellent. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. I have healthy habits. Repeat. I have healthy habits. I usually wake up early. Repeat. I usually wake up early. I always eat breakfast. Repeat. I always eat breakfast. Very good. Talking about my habits. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma, what time do you usually wake up? Daniel, I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. Emma, do you exercise every day? Daniel, yes. I exercise for 30 minutes every morning. Emma, that's a healthy habit. Daniel, thank you. It helps me feel energetic. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. I usually wake up early. Pause. I usually wake up early. I always eat breakfast. Pause. I always eat breakfast. I exercise every morning. Pause. I exercise every morning. Healthy habits make me happy. Pause. Healthy habits make me happy. Excellent. Morning routine. Now let's continue. Friend, what do you do after breakfast? Emma, I brush my teeth and get ready for school. Friend, do you study every evening? Emma, yes. I usually study for 2 hours. Friend, do you watch television every day? Emma, sometimes. But I usually read a book instead. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia has many healthy daily habits. She wakes up at 6:30 every morning. After making her bed, she drinks a glass of water and goes for a short walk. When she returns home, she eats a healthy breakfast with fruit and eggs. In the evening, she finishes her homework, reads an English book for 20 minutes, and goes to bed before 10 o'clock. These habits help Olivia stay healthy, focused, and happy. Now answer these questions. What time does Olivia wake up? At 6:30. What does she do after making her bed? She drinks water and goes for a walk. What does she read in the evening? An English book. How do her habits help her? They help her stay healthy, focused, and happy. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I always eat breakfast. I usually exercise. I study every evening. I go to bed early. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about habits, use frequency words like always, usually, often, sometimes, never. These words help you describe your routine naturally. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I have healthy daily habits. I usually exercise in the morning. I always study after school. Reading is one of my favorite habits. Healthy habits improve my life. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful daily habit vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and talked about your daily habits in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to describe healthy habits in more detail, talk about your evening routine, and continue improving your English through real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful vocabulary about daily habits, practiced simple conversations, and talked about healthy morning routines. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to describe healthy habits, talk about your afternoon and evening routine, express good lifestyle choices, and ask simple questions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Healthy daily habits. Healthy habits help us feel strong and happy. Listen carefully. I drink plenty of water every day. Repeat. I drink plenty of water every day. I usually eat fresh fruit. Repeat. I usually eat fresh fruit. I take a short walk after dinner. Repeat. I take a short walk after dinner. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Repeat. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Excellent. Conversation about healthy habits. Emma. What healthy habits do you have? Daniel. I drink lots of water and exercise every morning. Emma. Do you eat healthy food? Daniel. Yes. I usually eat vegetables, fruit, and rice. Emma. Do you eat fast food often? Daniel. No. I only eat it sometimes. Emma. That's a good habit. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. I drink plenty of water. Pause. I drink plenty of water. I eat healthy food. Pause. I eat healthy food. I sleep early every night. Pause. I sleep early every night. Healthy habits give me energy. Pause. Healthy habits give me energy. Very good. My evening routine. Friend. What do you usually do after school? Emma. I go home and have lunch with my family. Friend. What do you do after lunch? Emma. I finish my homework and take a short break. Friend. Do you watch television? Emma. Sometimes. But I usually read a book or practice English. Friend. That's a great habit. Emma. Thank you. I enjoy learning something new every day. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan has a simple but healthy evening routine. After arriving home, he changes his clothes and washes his hands. Then he eats dinner with his family. Later, he spends 1 hour studying English and mathematics. After studying, he takes a short walk with his father around the neighborhood. Before going to bed, Ryan reads a few pages from his favorite book and prepares his school bag for the next day. These habits help him stay organized and confident. Now answer these questions. What does Ryan do after arriving home? He changes his clothes and washes his hands. Who does he eat dinner with? His family. What subjects does he study? English and mathematics. What does he do before going to bed? He reads a book and prepares his school bag. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I drink enough water. I enjoy healthy food. I practice English every day. I prepare for tomorrow. I sleep early. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about your habits, explain why you do them. For example, I exercise because it keeps me healthy. I read because I enjoy learning. I sleep early because I want to feel fresh. I drink water because it is good for my body. Giving a reason makes your English sound more natural and interesting. Practice this every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I have a healthy lifestyle. I enjoy my daily routine. I practice good habits every day. My habits help me stay healthy. Every day is a chance to improve. Fantastic work. Today you learned how to describe healthy habits, talk about your evening routine, and explain why good habits are important. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, talk about changing bad habits, discuss weekend habits, improve your listening skills, and learn more natural English expressions. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to describe healthy habits, talk about our evening routine, and explain why good habits are important. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to talk about changing bad habits, discuss your weekend habits, share your goals, and use more natural English expressions. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Improving my habits. Good habits take time to build. Listen to this conversation. Emma. Have you changed any of your daily habits recently? Daniel. Yes. I started waking up earlier every morning. Emma. Why did you change that habit? Daniel. Because I wanted more time to exercise and study. Emma. How do you feel now? Daniel. I feel healthier and more organized. Excellent. Now repeat. I wake up earlier every day. Pause. I wake up earlier every day. I feel healthier. Pause. I feel healthier. Good habits change our lives. Pause. Good habits change our lives. Very good. Talking about weekend habits. Friend. Are your weekend habits different? Emma. Yes. I usually wake up a little later on Saturday and Sunday. Friend. What do you enjoy doing on weekends? Emma. I like reading books, spending time with my family, and going for a walk. Friend. Do you still practice English? Emma. Yes. I practice English every day, even on weekends. Wonderful. Reaching my goals. Daniel. Why do you practice English every day? Emma. Because I want to speak English confidently. Daniel. How long do you study? Emma. Usually 1 hour every evening. Daniel. That's a great habit. Emma. Small daily habits help us reach big goals. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Lucas wanted to improve his daily habits. Before, he spent many hours playing games on his phone. One day, he decided to make a change. Now, he wakes up early, exercises for 20 minutes, and eats a healthy breakfast. After school, he finishes his homework before using his phone. Every evening, he reads an English story and writes 5 new vocabulary words in his notebook. After only 1 month, Lucas felt more confident, healthier, and happier. He realized that small habits can create big changes. Now answer these questions. What bad habit did Lucas change? He spent too much time playing games on his phone. What does he do every morning now? He wakes up early, exercises, and eats breakfast. What does he do every evening? He reads an English story and writes new vocabulary words. How did Lucas feel after 1 month? More confident, healthier, and happier. Excellent work. Useful daily sentences. Repeat after me. I'm building better habits. Small habits make a big difference. I practice every day. I want to improve myself. Every day is a new beginning. Very good. English learning tip. When talking about habits, compare your past and present. For example, I used to wake up late. Now I wake up early. I used to skip breakfast. Now I always eat breakfast. I used to watch too much television. Now I read books every evening. These simple comparisons help you speak naturally about personal improvement. Practice them often. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. My habits are getting better. I enjoy learning every day. Healthy habits make me stronger. I never stop improving. I'm proud of my progress. Fantastic work. Today you practiced talking about changing habits, discussing weekend routines, sharing personal goals, and using natural English expressions. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about daily habits, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you confidently talk about your own daily routine and healthy habits in English. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English through a simple story about daily habits. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. Talking about my daily habits. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily habits. I believe that good habits can change our lives. They help us become healthier, happier, and more organized. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I never press the snooze button because I like starting my day early. First, I make my bed and open the window to let fresh air into my room. Then I drink a large glass of water. After that, I exercise for about 30 minutes. Sometimes I go for a short walk, and other days I do simple stretching exercises at home. Exercise gives me energy and helps me feel ready for the day. After exercising, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I eat a healthy breakfast with my family. I usually have eggs, fruit, whole grain bread, and a cup of tea. While we eat, we talk about our plans for the day. Before leaving home, I check my bag to make sure I have everything I need. During the day, I always try to stay focused. I listen carefully in class, take notes, and ask questions when I don't understand something. I also try to be kind to everyone because I believe kindness is an important habit too. After school, I go home and have lunch. Then I spend some time finishing my homework. I usually study English for 1 hour every evening. I enjoy learning new words and practicing my pronunciation. Sometimes I watch short English videos or listen to easy English podcasts. These activities help me improve my listening skills. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together and talk about our day. After dinner, I often read a book for 20 or 30 minutes. Reading helps me relax and learn new ideas. Before going to bed, I prepare my clothes and school bag for the next day. This habit saves me time in the morning. I also write a short to-do list for tomorrow. Finally, I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and go to bed at 10 o'clock. Getting enough sleep helps me wake up fresh and ready for another day. Of course, I am not perfect. Sometimes I feel tired or forget something. But I always try to improve little by little. I believe that small daily habits can create big success over time. That is why I enjoy following my daily routine. It helps me become a better and happier person every day. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. What time does Sophia wake up? She wakes up at 6 o'clock. What does she do after making her bed? She drinks a glass of water. How long does she study English? For 1 hour every evening. What does she do before going to bed? She prepares her bag, brushes her teeth, and writes a to-do list. Why does Sophia like good daily habits? Because they help her become healthier, happier, and more organized. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. I wake up early every day. I always eat a healthy breakfast. I study English every evening. Reading is one of my favorite habits. Good habits help me improve. I enjoy my daily routine. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. What time do you usually wake up? What is your morning routine? What healthy habits do you have? What do you do after school or work? What do you do before going to bed? What habit would you like to improve? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. Every time you practice speaking, your English becomes stronger. English learning tip. When talking about your habits, use frequency words naturally. For example, I always drink water in the morning. I usually study after dinner. I often read before bed. I sometimes watch English videos. I never skip breakfast. These words make your English sound more fluent and natural. Practice using them in your daily conversations. Final review. Today you learned how to talk about your daily habits, describe your morning and evening routine, use frequency adverbs correctly, talk about healthy lifestyle choices, express personal goals and self-improvement, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and never stop improving your English. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.